running fantastic. And we are off to Alamparai Fort. What do you reckon, Yana? Jesse? We've hit the road a little earlier this morning because it's just so hot during the day. The plan is to go back north towards Chennai, see some things along the way, and we're going to stop at the Novotel for a few nights and stay there and just do day trips. Just because it's just too hot to do anything in the afternoon. Alright, just wanted to show you. Like I'm full throttle here, you can't go any further. 51 kilometers an hour, that's it. That's as fast as it goes. That is flat tack, no more give. 51 whole kilometers, and we're getting past and past and past. We still keep going.
Another breakdown. Glad this never happened with Luna. We would never have made it. It's just that damn spark plug.
We need to find some wire or something. So I'm sitting in the back of the tuk-tuk and I've come to the realization this country is just insane. It's crazy. Like the traffic, the roads, it's just all crazy. But yet somehow it all just works. And it all works. It all just forms together and it works. But it's just so crazy.
After some maintenance, we hit the back roads. This was a perfect opportunity to do another driving lesson with Jessie.
Down, that's it. That's how you do it. Now do it again. Yep. Forwards. Forwards, yep, that's it. You did it. So after Jessie just had a drive, we pulled through this cute little town. And it seems to be the morning markets. So we thought we'd stop and have a look. Hello. Melons. Fish, fish. Oh, look at that big fish. It's smelly, yeah. Oh, and prawns. Yeah. I know, it's a big fish. I know that big fish there.
Yeah.
Is that pink fish? Prawns. Fish galore. Oh, those poor chickens looking at their dead mates. The only why I'm very skeptical in eating the chicken in these kinds of countries, it's because of that. It's just hanging out in the heat. I reckon it'll be 33 degrees, 34 degrees. And that chicken's just hanging there roasting. Pre-cooked chickens. Hello. Cold Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola?
Coke? Coca-Cola?
Coke? Cola.
Photo. Coke nahi bhaiya. And food drinks.
Ah.
Coca-Cola?
Paneer,
Paneer?
orange, grapes,
Oh, great.
grapes,
Right.
apple.
Apple, Yana, yeah.
Fresh, yummy.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get
Yeah, we'll take those. That and that.
Yep. Four. Oh no, yeah, this.
Got it? Yep.
Perfect.
70.
70?
70.
cool. So deep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's cross the road and see what's on the other side.
Squid.
Where's the squid?
That's it. What is it?
Oh yeah, squids. Hey, here's some more squids. And garfish, look, those garfish we've been swimming with. They're little babies.
A little baby garfish.
And a crab.
Where's the
And
crab?
that crab's alive, look.
Oh my god, he's alive.
Now that's fresh. Man, it's got a big fish.
Fresh.
Crazy, this is definitely the local fish market. That's a big fish. Man, she's got a box of prawns, look at them all. Alright, that town was mental. Yeah, just fresh fish, fresh chickens, fresh veggies, and everyone's in here getting food. Built over 1,000 years ago. Yep, that's all I got. Imagine when this was just a little bustling community.
You've asked for it. Even if you didn't ask for it, here it is, the drone shot. Being a seaport, this place was used for so many different things. Archaeologists have recently found old coins, ammunitions, all sorts of cool artifacts.
Jesse approves. Okay, so me and Mum are gonna climb
The stairs to nowhere.
the stairs to nowhere.
Always want a selfie.
Do there now.
What can I say? I'm popular. I'm a star.
Okay, well, glaze.
I'm a Bollywood star,
The
okay?
glaze is
Actually,
great.
I'm in Tamil Nadu, so I'm a Tollywood star.
And we're Bob.
As we're leaving, we turned around and saw the front of this fort, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. I just really like the look of that as it goes around. Old mate's blasting his music over there as loud as he can. Got himself a new Stazza. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, we really love places like this where there's no entry fee, there's no nothing. It's a place that the tourists don't go. We got you one.
We then hit another tourist spot, the Mutukaru boathouse, where the boys went on a jet ski ride. While they were out having fun, I was getting cuddles. I have a friend. He just hopped into the rickshaw and just decided that we were going to be mates.
Hey.
He's alright.
Hey.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. There's a rickshaw run on at the moment going from the north to the south just like we did. And we actually just saw them go past. We saw a light coloured rickshaw with a little kangaroo. Yeah, I thought I saw one this morning as well, but I wasn't 100% sure. And then when I saw the second, I was like, no, I've definitely seen another rickshaw runner. So I just had a look on the rickshaw run page, and yeah, sure enough, the one I saw this morning was on there. So if this was one of you guys, keep rocking, dudes, sound horn. We've run out of fuel.
I knew it was coming up. I knew about 10 kilometers ago. I thought, oh, should pull over and fill up. I was like, nah, we'll be right. We'll fill up when we get to here. And look, 7.8 Ks.
So we've run out of fuel on the side of a highway. Literally, the side of a highway. Probably step back because look at this.
Do you want to just go straight to the hotel?
Yep.
And we'll do this tomorrow. Like, we're not far from the hotel.
I can feel my eyeballs cooking.
Yeah, man, it's so
Your eyeballs.
Yeah.
just
They're
out
like
there doing
hot. As we hit the intensity of Chennai traffic again, something happened that shook us all to the core. In the chaos of the traffic, we saw our first accident.
Are they alright? Holy sh**.
I feel terrible because they were looking at us.
Were they too big? What happened?
Be like, I'm gonna ring 360. The guy on the back gave me the peace sign and I nodded at him. And he must have started talking to the guy that was driving. And he then looked over at us, and then the car in front of him just slammed his brakes on him and he went into the road.
I can't get that image out of my head.
He's okay. They both got up. They both got up.
Man. I feel terrible.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I was too busy. I was just concentrating on the road.
I wasn't waving at him or anything. Like, I broke my hands on the 360. He gave me the peace sign and I nodded.
I just want to get to the hotel now. I feel so bad. I feel like we should have stopped, but I was just so freaked out by everything. I just kept going. Like, there's just so much happening at once. Like, and I don't want that to happen to us.
Yeah.
That's the dangers of driving in another country, Jessie. That's what Nana's harping on about to me all the time. Oh, I'm so scared now. Oh my God, guys, that was intense. And two people just ate right next to us because they were busy looking at us. We feel terrible. We feel so terrible. We weren't doing anything. We were just driving through traffic, and yeah, we captured it all on 360, but it just goes to show you that that's what can happen. And if it can happen to the locals, it can happen to you. So you need to be really careful driving in India.